Okay, so I bet that was pretty awesome. Utilizing browser stack to run automated parallel tests, right? You significantly improve your automated functional testing when you can run so many tests at once. It's an excellent return on investment for your company because of all of the reasons that I mentioned previously. So I highly recommend that you give this a try, and I am sure that your management would be up for giving you such kind of capabilities. Even if you only have like 2 to 3 parallel VMs that you can run on, it's still worth all the effort. Anyway, so now let's talk about doing the same thing with Sauce Labs. Sauce Labs is basically almost exactly the same concept as Browser Stack. They also utilize the remote WebDriver to do everything that we were doing. It's just obviously a different URL, different credentials, and a little bit of a different setup. So let's come back here and let's go to saucelabs.com. That is where you guys can get a free trial. You can come over here, free trial. I'm obviously already logged in, so yours won't look like this. You can go and get a free trial, sign up. You're going to get a key and password, and then you'll be able to log in, okay? One other thing that I wanted to show you guys is that their resources, actually, is their docs that are really awesome. Really, their documentation is phenomenal. The more I use it, the more I'm impressed by it. And so they have a bunch of documentation here. And if you want to do something like get started, actually, I think they have a section for just C#. Yeah, they updated their docs a little bit, guys. So excuse me for being a little lost. But here, using frameworks to run tests in parallel, they got a bunch of these different configurations. And we want C# with PN unit. Oh, these are actually repos. Interesting. That's not what I saw before. This might work. Let me get you guys a link. This is the documentation that I saw before that I thought was really awesome. See, yeah, they did update their documentation. So anyways, somewhere in here. Perfect. I think I found it here. Instant C# tests. So once you have a free trial, you can come in the docs. You can check out these instant C# tests. And literally what I did was I just copied over their code right here, okay? I copied over the code and I just pasted it inside of my Visual Studio. So that's basically exactly what we're going to do, except I already have a gist created for this that I'm just going to copy over. I think this gist is right here, parallel tests using Sauce Labs. So I'm literally just going to copy over this gist for myself and use it as a test. So now that I got that, let's go back to our Visual Studio and get set up for Sauce Labs testing.